What if I told you that the wild spirit of the Scottish Highlands never died? It just moved across an ocean, the Scots-Irish, descendants of Scottish settlers in Ulster, carried more than just luggage when they left Europe. They carried culture, courage, and a rebellious spirit, and they planted it deep in the heart of America. From the rugged Highlands to the Appalachian Mountains, you can still see the echoes, the same fierce independence, the same love of freedom, and the same distrust of distant authority. Their ancient ballads evolved into country music, their deep clan loyalty transformed into unwavering family pride and that legendary warrior spirit. It helped shape the entire American frontier. They built log cabins, led militias, and fought in revolutions, all guided by that unwritten Scots-Irish code. Work hard, stand tall, and above all, trust your kin, even today. That fire burns brightly in Southern and Appalachian cultural living, breathing echo of Scotland's soul, centuries apart, yet one shared identity. So, here's a question for you. Do you think culture survives through ancestry, or through the stories and attitudes we choose to keep alive? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this.